Today is Monday the 22nd of June. Welcome Year 6 to week 4 of your transition program. Joining us in today's assembly is Miss Doyle and Mrs. Balford. Last week was a divine week here at BA. Why? Where we received some phenomenal completed tasks, and your parents and carers also reached out to tell us how well you have been engaged with the activity posted. So well done and keep up the hard work. Right, I have two big shout outs going out to Lily. Well done, Lily, for completing all your maths work in one day. Mum is very proud of you, so continue with the great work. Angel, well done. Your teachers have been very proud of the maths and English work you have submitted. So well done, guys. Now, this week, letters and activities will be going out today, so don't forget to email through your work. Also this week, we're going to be making phone calls out to your parents and carers, and we will be booking meetings with them. So if you have any questions for us, let us know or get them emailed to us. And I'll pass you over to Miss Balford, who will now tell you a bit more about herself and what she's going to be doing here at BA when you arrive. Thank you.
Hello Year 6, my name is Mrs. Balford and I will be your Pastoral Manager in September. I'm really excited to meet you and catch up with all that you have been doing this summer. You'll probably see me on a daily basis. My office is located behind reception. You'll probably come to me, for example, if you've lost your PE kit or forgotten your timetable, or simply that you're lost, or to tell me some good news. My aim is to help you to feel comfortable and safe, enabling you to enjoy your learning experience. I will be making calls to get to know you over the next few weeks. Exciting times ahead and looking forward to a remarkable journey together. Take care and I'll see you soon.
Hello, so my name is Miss Doyle and I am one of the senior leadership team here at Bexley Heath Academy, and I am also a maths teacher, so I'm just going to let you know what is coming up in your maths when you join us. So you'll be starting by having a look at a lot of work on proportional reasoning, so building what you've done in primary school, but also looking at some great problem solving and some reasoning, and developing all the skills that you will need for a successful mathematics career with us. And whether maths is your favourite subject at the moment or you're not so sure just yet, I promise you by a few weeks of maths lessons with us, you will absolutely love it, and I'm really excited to meet all of you. As well, around the Academy this year, I'm going to be looking at a lot of our careers provision and extracurricular opportunities, so I'm really excited to showcase all of that with you in September, and some of the fantastic options and activities that we're going to have for you with your time at BA. So really excited to meet you all, and I have to say you are very lucky to have Miss Balford as a Pastoral Manager, because she is amazing. I'm going to hand you back over to Miss Shallow for this week's quiz questions.
Right, Year 6, we're almost coming to the end of today's session, sadly. Right, so today's quiz questions are as follows. What is the chemical formula for water? I'll repeat that. What is the chemical formula for water? Question number 2. Do pineapples grow on trees? Do pineapples grow on trees? Question number 3. Why is the sky blue? Why is the sky blue? And question number 4. What is the everyday name for the aortic pump? Question number 4. What is the everyday name for the aortic pump? And the last question, what is the square root of 9? What is the square root of 9? Right, so to close today's assembly, I would like to remind you to make sure that you keep safe, wash your hands frequently for at least 20 seconds, keep fit and healthy, and if you need to go outside, remember to make sure you keep the 2-meter rule. Have a fantastic week, enjoy your activities, and I look forward to receiving all the work that you've completed. Thank you. Bye for now.